Wednesday, December 18, 2024. I had the pleasure of being pushed back to DC by one of MARC's oldest locomotives. Maryland Area Rail Commuter, the MARC train, operates a fleet of 6 GP39 locomotives. Numbered 70 through 75, these rebuilds were delivered in 1988 and exited a massive overhaul in 2023, where they can now be seen double-heading with the existing MPI and Siemens engines along the 3 lines. MARC is administered by the MTA, the Maryland Transit Administration, operated by Amtrak on the Penn Line along the Northeast Corridor, and by Alstom on the Brunswick Line to West Virginia, and the Camden Line to Downtown Baltimore. Those tracks are owned by CSX.